Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a Microsoft Outlook email account step by step. As of January 2026, Outlook is a leading email platform integrated with Microsoft 365. We'll cover the process using the most up-to-date methods, including new AI features and enhanced security measures. By the end of this video, you'll have your own Outlook account ready to go. Your Outlook email account is actually a Microsoft account. This account gives you access to not only Outlook, but also other Microsoft services like OneDrive, Teams, and even Xbox. You'll need a unique email address at Outlook.com or Hotmail.com, a strong password, and recovery options like a phone number or alternate email. Let's start the sign-up process. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook.com. On the landing page, you will see a Create Free Account button or link. Click on it to begin the account creation process. Alternatively, you can download the Outlook app on your iOS or Android device and start the process there. The steps are largely the same across platforms. Now, you'll need to choose your desired Outlook email address. Enter the username you want, such as your name, and select either Outlook.com or Hotmail.com. The system will check if the address is available. If it's taken, try a variation or add numbers. Be sure to pick an address that is both memorable and professional. Next, create a strong and unique password for your Outlook account. Microsoft enforces stricter password requirements to protect against common attacks. Use at least 8 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words, dates, or sequences that could be easily guessed. These requirements help prevent unauthorized access. Microsoft uses advanced security measures, including custom smart lockout and banned password lists as shown in their admin center. After setting your password, enable two-factor authentication for added security. This requires a second verification step beyond your password. Choose to receive codes via phone number or an alternate email address. Two-factor authentication works by combining something you know, like your password, with something you have, such as your phone or another email. This significantly reduces the risk of account compromise, even if your password is stolen. In step 4, you'll provide your personal details to complete the account setup. This includes your full name, birth date, and country or region. Start by entering your full name in the designated field. Next, select your birth date. You must be at least 18 years old to access all features of your Outlook account. Then, choose your country or region from the drop-down menu. Click Next to proceed. Microsoft uses this information to personalize your email experience and ensure compliance with age requirements. Now, you'll need to verify your account. Microsoft will send a verification code to your phone number or alternate email address. The code may arrive via text message, as shown here in a WhatsApp notification, or through an email, like this verification email from Microsoft. Enter the verification code in the provided field and click Verify to confirm your identity and complete the account setup. Once your account is verified, you can customize your Outlook settings to make it feel more personal and efficient. First, choose a theme to personalize your Outlook interface. Go to Settings and select the Appearance tab, where you can pick from various modern themes with different background images and colors. Next, set up inbox rules to automatically organize your emails. Access the rules settings from the menu and create rules that can assign categories, set follow-ups, forward messages, or move emails to specific folders based on conditions like keywords in the subject. Explore the Focused Inbox feature, which uses artificial intelligence to prioritize important messages and separate them from less urgent emails. This helps you focus on what matters most without getting overwhelmed by your inbox. Finally, don't forget to sync your calendar and contacts for a seamless experience across all your devices. This ensures your emails, appointments, and contacts are always up to date, whether you're using Outlook on your computer, phone, or tablet. Congratulations! Your Outlook account is now set up. You've successfully created your Microsoft Outlook email account and are ready to explore its powerful features. Take advantage of Outlook's AI-powered features like Copilot. Copilot can help you draft emails, summarize long conversations, prioritize your inbox with smart sorting, and even suggest meeting times through intelligent scheduling. This AI integration, fully rolled out by late 2024, makes email management 30% more efficient, according to experts. For optimal security, regularly review your security settings in Outlook. Keep your passwords strong and unique. Enable two-factor authentication to protect against unauthorized access, and always be cautious of phishing attempts. Microsoft has implemented zero trust models and strict 2FA requirements to combat rising cyber threats like phishing and ransomware. Microsoft continuously updates Outlook with new features and security enhancements. Future updates may include deeper AI personalization, quantum-resistant encryption by 2027, and better hybrid work tools. Stay informed through official Microsoft resources to get the most out of your account. Enjoy your new Outlook experience.